You're about to jet off on an epic adventure, passport in hand, and excitement coursing through your veins. But wait, have you considered the potential costs lurking beyond your destination? We're talking about those pesky international fees that can turn your dream vacation into a financial nightmare. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Commbank and finding out if they're one of the culprits. Let's face it, international fees are the uninvited guests of travel. They pop up when you least expect them, taking a chunk out of your hard-earned cash. From ATM withdrawals to foreign currency conversions, these charges can quickly add up, leaving you with less to spend on souvenirs and experiences. So, the burning question is, does Commbank throw its hat into the fee ring, or are they your travel buddy when it comes to finances? To answer this, we need to break down the different types of international fees you might encounter. First up, there are ATM fees. These are charges slapped on you when you withdraw cash from a foreign ATM using your Commbank card. Then, we have currency conversion fees. This is when you use your card to make a purchase in a foreign currency, and Commbank converts the amount to Australian dollars, often with a fee attached. Let's talk about Commbank's stance on these fees. It's crucial to understand that fee structures can change, so always double-check the latest information on their website. That said, Commbank does impose international transaction fees on both debit and credit cards. This fee is typically a percentage of the transaction amount. So, while you might escape the ATM fees, the currency conversion fee will still take a bite out of your budget. But wait, there's more. Commbank also offers travel money cards, which can be a game changer. These cards allow you to load foreign currency before your trip, avoiding those pesky conversion fees. However, it's essential to compare the exchange rates offered by Commbank to those available in the open market. Sometimes, you might get a better deal by simply exchanging cash at a currency exchange. Now, let's talk about minimizing those pesky fees. A little preparation goes a long way. Research your destination before you go. Find out which ATMs are fee-free for foreign cardholders. Consider using your card for larger purchases rather than multiple small ones to reduce the impact of conversion fees. And don't forget to inform Commbank about your travel plans to avoid any unexpected card blocks. To sum it up, Commbank does charge international fees, but the extent depends on how you use your card. While travel money cards can be a good option, it's essential to weigh up the pros and cons. By understanding the fee structure and taking some proactive steps, you can significantly reduce the financial impact of your travels. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Safe travels!